video, Dick and I are going to teach a whip with an outside turn. It's for our beginning West Coast swing class. We'll show you what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Underarm turn. 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Dick will explain it a little bit.
Okay, leaders, what you're gonna do is pick up the lady on count 2. I'm gonna set the lead on count 4. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There's my lead set on 4. I'm gonna take count 5, keep my dance frame just like it is, roll out on 6, and go 7 and 8.
Let's do it from this side.
Okay, I'm gonna go 1 pickup, 2, 3 and block on 4, take count 5, roll out 6, 7 and 8, and I'm controlling her with this low hand across her back.
And then we can do an underarm turn because his thumb is down. I'll explain the lead follower's footwork. She's going to go to 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. He takes me count 5 like he would on a regular whip. What I'm going to do is he's going to send me out on this is 6. I'm completely opposite of him. 6. I step forward on count 7 and start to turn. 7 and 8, and I'll end up in a third dance position. I like to do it from this direction. So, no, I'd have to do it from this direction. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here's 5. I'm going to go all the way around 6. I'm going to step forward and turn 7 and 8. So that is a whip with an outside turn. See you later. Bye-bye.